Hello, my name is Angela from Runxin Company. Runxin Company was established in the year of 2000. We made the first manual valve in 2003 and the first automatic valve in 2005. Runxin valves have a variety range covering residential, commercial, and industrial application. Till now, Runxin valves have been exported to 126 countries and regions. Runxin valves have been recognized and accepted by global customers. Runxin valve adopt hermetic head faces structure. It is different from traditional valve, which is piston or camshaft structure. There are two discs. One is ceramic, which is moving disc. The ceramic is made of 95% of aluminum oxide. It is treated by super-high temperature, which is 1680 degrees. The hardness of HRA is more than 85 degrees. This one is high-strength synthetic plastic material, and these two surfaces are grinded and polished to be very flat, so they could be sealed. There are different through holes and blind holes on these two discs, and each port will be connected with different parts of water treatment system, such as this hole will be inlet, outlet, inside of riser pipe, injector, drain, and this port will be always connected with water inlet. When these two discs reroute respectively, as they are sealed, they could be achieve one water passenger, and based on timer or meter, the valve will go to next working position. When they change the angle of these two discs, it will change the water passages too to achieve different functions, such as backwash, brine and slow rinse, brine refill, and fast rinse. All these functions are achieved by design of these two discs, so this core part is Runxin's patents. Runxin got patents from 18 countries, such as US, EU, Mexico, Australia, South Korea, etc. So here is a short video to help you to better understand of Runxin valve.
System working principle. When system is in service state, the symbol of service state lights. At this moment, raw water flows into control valve through water inlet, from the top of valve car to valve body, and through top strainer to tank. Then down through resin layers to be softened water. Through bottom strainer to return to riser pipe and valve car. Finally flow out from water outlet. When service flow rate reduces to 0, the system starts to regenerate. The motor controlled by main control board drives the big gear to rotate, and also drives moving disc, which is fixed with shaft. With the change of relative angles of moving disc and fixed disc, the flow channel has been changed. When arrives at backwash state, the symbol of backwash state lights. Raw water flows into control valve through water inlet, from top of valve core through riser pipe to the bottom of tank, then through bottom strainer to end into tank. Under the influence of water flow, the resin layers has been loosened. The broken resin or dirt flow out from drain outlet. When backwash time reduces to 0, then it is over. Motor controlled by main control board rotates, which makes the change of relevant angles on moving disk and the fixed disk. So the flow channel has been changed again. When arrives at a brine and slow racing state, the symbol lights. Raw water flows into control valve through water inlet. Pass valve cord to inject inlet. Flow quickly to inject outlet, which produces under pressure, so that the brine is sucked from brine tank through brine line connector to valve, then to tank. The brine is down through raising layer, through bottom strainer to riser pipe, then upward to valve body, valve core, finally flow out from drain outlet. After brine sucked, raw water still flow into control valve from inlet, through valve core, injector to tank, down through rising layers and bottom strainer, upward riser pipe to valve core, then flow out from drain outlet. When brine and slow racing time reduces to 0, motor controlled by main control board rotate, which makes the change of relative angles on moving disk and the fixed disk. So the flow channels has been changed. When arrives at a brine refill state, the symbol lights. Raw water flows into control valve through water inlet. Some parts pass valve core to inject outlet. Then enter into brine tank through brine line connector. The other part pass injector, valve body and valve core, then flow out from drain outlet. When brine refill time reduces to 0, motor controlled by main control board rotates, which makes the change of relative angles on move disk and the fixed disk. So the flow channels has been changed. When arrives at faster ring state, the symbol lights. Raw water flows into control valve through water inlet, from the top of valve core to valve body, through top strainer to tank. Then pass bottom strainer to riser pipe, finally through valve core. The residual brine is discharged from drain outlet. When fast rinse reduces to 0, it is over. The system enters into service state.